for something unique in Las Vegas? You found it. Come on in. Every room in this house is unlike anything you've ever seen before.
With no hallways, everybody's a part of the party.
Why waste time with the ordinary?
Your friends definitely won't believe this.
With 2 separate garages that fit up to 5 cars on over 2 acres of completely secured land, there's plenty of room to add to your new dream home.
I really hope you enjoyed checking out this amazing home with us.
But honestly, you need to see this place for yourself.